Charles and sweet tunes for clean. Polish my laundry, mop in China. Sweep again, hair by then it's like 7:15. I'll read her book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. Play guitar and knit, and cooking basically. Just wonder where will my life begin? In Saigon. Then I can let you just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there when they glow? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me go.